A potential plaintiff calls the Shelton law firm about a sexual harassment case. The phone is answered by a woman who has an endearing British accent. She asks the caller a series of questions to gather as much information possible. During the conversation, she's empathetic and says things like, "I can only imagine how you must feel." At the end of the conversation, she assures the caller that the facts provided will be carefully scrutinized and someone will get back to them by the end of the day. A moment later, another call comes in and the lovely-sounding British voice answers, but this caller speaks Spanish, so a woman who speaks perfect Spanish is on the phone and replicates the same questions and empathy as the British woman. Except they were never women at all. It was AI who answered the calls, and that same AI can do client intake perfectly in 28 different languages. Once the calls are completed, a transcription of them are fed into several AI platforms. The first is a lie detector, created by a 20-year veteran interrogator from the Department of Justice. It is looking or verbal patterns, specific choices of words, exact time of pauses between the question being asked and the answer being given, etc. The second is a matter profiling AI platform. This analyzes the truthfulness of the plaintiff, the facts, case law, likely range of damages, likelihood of settlement versus trial, etc., and creates a cost-benefit analysis as to whether it will be worth taking the case. The first call is deemed troublesome for multiple reasons. The caller is 88.7% likely to have been deceptive. Even if they were telling the truth, the AI calculates the estimated range of damages to be between $5,000 and $10,000. The AI creates a file for final review by human eyes to determine whether there might be something the AI didn't calculate or understand. This is always the last step. The second case is much more promising. The caller is 88.7% likely to be telling the truth. The range of damages could easily go into the 7 figures. That file is created and sent to the attorney who will be handling it. A brief outline is prepared, along with facts, citations, and automated tables of authorities and exhibits, all of which will be waiting in a zip file for the attorney who will handle that case. Again, the attorney's eyes will always be the final step. Once the judge has been identified, AI will determine whether or not they will grant a motion to dismiss with 86% accuracy. AI will also provide a comprehensive analysis of every similar case over which that judge has presided, which professional witnesses have fared best, what kind of evidence is likely to be admitted or denied, etc., as well as a complete analysis of the local jury pool, their demographics, political leanings, and so on. All of this exists right now. It's time to get ahead of AI or get left behind. AI won't replace lawyers. Lawyers who use AI will replace those who don't.